Taiwan, officially known as the Republic of China Rock, is an island nation located in East Asia. Situated around 180 kilometers 112 miles off the southeastern coast of mainland China, across the Taiwan Strait. Taiwan is known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and dynamic economy. With Taipei as its capital, Taiwan is a vibrant democracy with a population of approximately 23 million people. Despite its relatively small size, Taiwan has made significant contributions to the global economy, particularly in the technology sector. The country is home to renowned tech companies such as TSMC, ASUS, Acer, and HTC, making it a key player in the global electronics industry. Taiwan's culture is a blend of influences from its indigenous peoples, Chinese immigrants, Japanese colonization, and interactions with other Southeast Asian cultures. This diverse cultural tapestry is reflected in Taiwan's cuisine, festivals, arts, and traditions, making it a fascinating destination for travelers seeking unique experiences. However, Taiwan's political status is complex due to its disputed sovereignty with China. While it maintains its own government, military, and foreign relations, most countries do not formally recognize Taiwan as a separate sovereign state due to the One China policy adhered to by the People's Republic of China. Despite these challenges, Taiwan continues to thrive as a beacon of democracy, innovation, and cultural richness in the Asia-Pacific region, attracting visitors from around the world to explore its beauty and vibrancy. Key facts about Taiwan. Official name. The official name of Taiwan is the Republic of China Rock. However, it is commonly referred to as Taiwan, and its official name can sometimes cause confusion with the People's Republic of China (PRC), which governs mainland China. Capital. The capital city of Taiwan is Taipei. It is the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. Population. As of my last update, Taiwan has a population of approximately 23 million people. Location. Taiwan is an island nation located in East Asia. It is situated approximately 180 kilometers 112 miles off the southeastern coast of mainland China, across the Taiwan Strait. Government. Taiwan operates under a democratic system, with the president as the head of state and a premier as the head of government. The political landscape is dominated by several major political parties. Economy. Taiwan has a highly developed and diversified economy. It is known for its advanced technology industry, particularly in electronics and semiconductor manufacturing. Taiwan is home to major tech companies such as TSMC, ASUS, Acer, and HTC. Language. Mandarin Chinese is the official language of Taiwan, but Taiwanese, Hokkien, Hakka, and indigenous languages are also spoken by various ethnic groups. Culture. Taiwan has a rich cultural heritage influenced by its indigenous peoples, Chinese immigrants, Japanese colonization, and interactions with other Southeast Asian cultures. Its culture is reflected in its cuisine, festivals, arts, and traditions. Tourism. Taiwan is known for its stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, forests, and coastal areas. Popular tourist attractions include Taroko Gorge, Sun Moon Lake, Alishan, and the scenic East Coast. The country also offers vibrant urban experiences in cities like Taipei and Kaohsiung. International relations. Taiwan's political status is a complex issue due to its disputed sovereignty with China. While it maintains its own government, military, and foreign relations, most countries do not formally recognize it as a separate sovereign state due to the One China policy adhered to by the People's Republic of China. These are just some key facts about Taiwan, and there is much more to learn about its history, culture, and society. Let's delve deeper into the history of Taiwan. Indigenous peoples. Taiwan's history dates back thousands of years, with evidence of human habitation dating as far back as 30,000 years ago. The island was originally inhabited by Austronesian-speaking indigenous peoples, including tribes such as the Pinku, Atayal, Amidst, and Taiwan. These indigenous groups had their own distinct cultures, languages, and traditions, and they lived primarily as hunter-gatherers and swidden agriculturalists. Colonial period. In the 17th century, Taiwan became a focal point of European colonial interest. The Dutch established a trading post in present-day Tainan in 1624, followed by the Spanish in the north. However, the Dutch eventually ousted the Spanish and controlled much of the island until 1662, when they were defeated by the Ming loyalist Cheng Cheng Kung, also known as Koxinga, who established the Kingdom of Tungning. After Koxinga's death, the Qing dynasty took control of Taiwan in 1683, making it a prefecture of Fujian province. Qing dynasty rule. During Qing dynasty rule, Taiwan experienced significant economic development with the introduction of agriculture, trade, and mining. However, the indigenous peoples often clashed with Han Chinese settlers, leading to conflicts over land and resources. Taiwan remained under Qing rule until the end of the 19th century. Japanese occupation. Following the First Sino-Japanese War in 1895, Taiwan was ceded to Japan under the Treaty of Shimonoseki. Japanese rule lasted for 50 years, during which Taiwan underwent rapid modernization and industrialization. The Japanese implemented various reforms in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. But they also enforced assimilation policies and suppressed Taiwanese identity and culture. Japanese rule came to an end after World War II in 1945. Post-World War II, after Japan surrendered, Taiwan was placed under the administrative control of the Republic of China ROC government led by the Kuomintang KMT. However, tensions soon arose between the KMT and local Taiwanese, leading to civil unrest and conflict. In 1949, the Chinese Civil War culminated in the defeat of the KMT by the Chinese Communist Party (CCP), prompting the KMT to retreat to Taiwan, establishing the ROC government in exile. Democratization. Taiwan underwent a remarkable transformation in the latter half of the 20th century, transitioning from authoritarian rule to democracy. Under the leadership of President Chiang Ching-kuo and subsequent leaders, Taiwan embarked on a path of political liberalization and economic reform, leading to rapid economic growth and prosperity, now known as the Taiwan Miracle. In 1996, Taiwan held its first direct presidential election, marking a significant milestone in its democratic development. Taiwan is home to numerous must-visit places, each offering its own unique charm and attractions. Here are some top recommendations. Taroko Gorge. Located in Taroko National Park, Taroko Gorge is one of Taiwan's most spectacular natural wonders. Carved by the Liwu River, the gorge features towering marble cliffs, lush forests, and scenic hiking trails, including the famous Shakadong Trail and Julu Old Trail. Sun Moon Lake. Situated in the heart of Taiwan, Sun Moon Lake is the largest body of water on the island and a popular tourist destination. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the lake, take a boat cruise, explore the surrounding temples and pagodas, and hike along the scenic trails. Alishan. Known for its stunning sunrise views and ancient cedar forests, Alishan is a mountainous region in central Taiwan that attracts nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Alishan Forest Railway offers a memorable journey through the picturesque landscape, while the Alishan National Scenic Area boasts numerous hiking trails and scenic viewpoints. Taipei 101. A symbol of Taiwan's modernity and prosperity, Taipei 101 is one of the tallest skyscrapers in the world. Visitors can ride the high-speed elevator to the observation deck on the 89th floor for panoramic views of Taipei City and beyond. Jiufen Old Street. Nestled in the mountains overlooking the sea, Jiufen is a charming old mining town, known for its narrow streets, traditional tea houses, and stunning views. Visitors can wander through the atmospheric alleyways, sample local street food, and immerse themselves in the town's nostalgic ambience. Kenting National Park. Located on the southern tip of Taiwan, Kenting National Park is renowned for its pristine beaches, rugged coastline, and diverse marine life. Visitors can enjoy swimming, snorkeling, surfing, and diving in the crystal-clear waters, as well as explore the park's scenic hiking trails and coral reefs. National Palace Museum. Housing one of the world's most extensive collections of Chinese art and artifacts, the National Palace Museum in Taipei is a treasure trove of cultural riches. Visitors can marvel at ancient ceramics, jade carvings, calligraphy, and paintings, spanning thousands of years of Chinese history and culture. These are just a few of the many incredible places to visit in Taiwan. Whether you're interested in nature, history, culture, or cuisine, Taiwan offers something for every traveler to enjoy.